Hello everyone, this is Professor Hill and this is a short video for our class, Introduction to Ethics, Philosophy 2306 here at St. Philip's College for the spring semester of 2021. Today is Thursday, January the 21st, 2021, and I wanted to make a short video just to talk with you about a couple of quick things. Number one, the textbook, and also about the structure of the course. Because again, we're in a Flex 1 environment, meaning that we're going to have this entire course is going to be done by March. So we're going to collapse the normally 16-week semester into 8, which means we're going to have kind of a compressed schedule. We're going to be doing a lot of work in a short period of time. And in terms of the schedule, it means that we're going to be reading a chapter, writing an essay, and you'll see on the schedule that they're due Sunday night. So a series of Sunday night deadlines getting us till the middle of March. And like I said, we're going to be reading the textbook and then writing short essays. The textbook is Doing Ethics by Lewis Vaughn. It's widely available, and I understand that some people don't have the textbook yet. I understand. Even with a short class, it just means that people are going to have to try to get it as soon as possible. And I did want to adjust this one thing. Normally, we're going to be reading a chapter and bringing those concepts from the chapter into our essays and dealing with the case studies. But because I understand people have not yet had a chance, or at least not everybody, to get the textbook, I want to make sure that for the first essay, due Sunday night, that you're able to just go ahead and address the case study, answer the questions about Jenny Lake, and talk about her decision. Was it right? Was it wrong? And why? What are your reasons for the moral judgment that you need to make about the situation she was in? And let me just remind you right now, it's a bad situation. This is a terrible choice that she has to make between two bad options. It doesn't end well. It's a sad story. So let me just brace you now for that. But we are going to have to look at some difficult case studies and think about them. And the reason we do this is that we're all going to have to face difficult ethical choices in our lives. If we have family, if we have friends, you're going to be faced with these tough choices. So it's helpful to think our way through them ahead of time and to get a sense of what's at stake. So, we need to, in terms of what do we need to do right away, we need to get the book, Doing Ethics by Lewis Vaughn, because we got to have it. We know that since that's going to take some time, we're not going to have the required reading for the first one, Sunday night. But hopefully, by the middle of next week, we've got the textbook, and we're going to be reading through chapter 1 and talking about how we can apply some of those key concepts into the case study, into that conversation. Because again, the way this is going to work is that you read a chapter, you look through the case study, what are the questions being asked, what are the relevant factors, and what you're going to want to do is bring those to bear on a particular difficult choice. Now, once you have your essay written, and again, there's no minimum or maximum word count. It's just hopefully going to be, most students write about 1.5 pages to get at the issues that are involved, to bring in some of the key concepts from the chapter. It just takes a little bit. Some students write 2-3 more pages. It doesn't matter in terms of the maximum, but you're going to want to at least write something which does give a good, full, comprehensive answer to the questions being asked. And once you've got your essay done, go to the discussion, and you'll see what you can do is you drop it into the discussion. And again, we'll get in the habit of doing this. But that way, when you post it, you'll be able to see your classmates, the other essays written by your fellow students. And I ask you to comment on at least 2 of them. So read through them, comment on at least 2. Sometimes students comment on 2, 3, 4 more. It doesn't matter. But the hope is that we'll have a dialogue going about the case study, about the relevant factors. People disagree. I get that. But as long as we're doing that in a polite, respectful, civil way, we'll be fine. So get that textbook, Doing Ethics by Louis Vaughn. And again, it's a widely used textbook. You can get it on Amazon, or students have got it off of Chegg or Craigslist, all kinds of places. And so you just need to find it online. That'll be, the sooner you get it, the better off you are. But the exception we're making for the first one, that, again, you're going to be able to do it without the textbook, won't hold for the second one. You got to have it by the second one. So that means the middle of next week. That'll give you enough time to read the assignment, write the essay, and then get it all done by Sunday night. Like I said, it'll be a series of Sunday night deadlines, Sunday night at midnight. If you do have questions, and I see that many of you do already, I came into a pile of questions. I'm trying to get through them now. Just let me know. Hopefully I can help guide you through the process. And like I said, it'll go by quickly. So make sure to get that textbook and jump in there. But you'll also find that once we get into a rhythm, once you get into the pattern, it'll smooth out, and it's a manageable amount of work, even in a short Flex 1 course. So that being said, this is the first of what will be many videos that hopefully will help you along the way. If you do have more questions, as always, just contact me. You got my contact information, and I'm happy to help you. So welcome, good luck, and I'll be in touch. Take care. Bye-bye.